Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to buy QQQ on Fidelity. First, log into your Fidelity account and confirm your funding is available. Next, navigate to trade and enter ticker QQQ in the symbol field. Choose Buy, select quantity or dollar amount, pick market or limit order, and set any additional preferences like order duration. Review the order details carefully, then submit the trade and monitor execution. Log into Fidelity, then go to the trade screen and type QQQ into the symbol box. Choose Buy, then decide if you want to enter shares or a dollar amount for fractional investing. Pick market for immediate execution or limit to control price. Set time in force like day or good till canceled, then double-check the order summary. Confirm the trade and watch the order status to see when it fills or if action is needed. If you found this guide useful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle for long trading or research sessions. It keeps drinks cold and fits cup holders perfectly. I find it handy during focused investing work, and it just makes the whole process more comfortable. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Before buying QQQ, think about how much exposure to large cap growth you want in your portfolio. Evaluate concentration risk, since QQQ leans heavily into tech and large names. Use position sizing rules to limit any single holding, and consider automatic investments to dollar cost average over time. Check tax implications for taxable accounts, and compare QQQ to alternatives if you need broader sector exposure or different risk profiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.